Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I am talking about hazard perception and how many times can you click during one of the video clips. Now there is 14 video clips but 15 hazards, so there is one hazard per clip except one of the clips which will have two hazards. Now you can click multiple times as long as it doesn't sense a pattern or a repetitiveness to your clicking. You could probably click 6, 7, 8 times per click, but you will only score on the developing hazard, not on any potential hazards. And a developing hazard is something that would cause you to change direction or speed. So don't be afraid to click, but don't click more than say 7 or 8 times, and make sure it's not in a pattern or a sequence. If you found this information useful, then subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more videos the same. Or if you need help with your theory test, then visit our website www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk where you can join our online theory course.